this is finally happening. Yo, what's up guys, this is Chris and you're watching Creation. So, a couple of months back I had a collaboration with very talented artists from America, Mark Art. You might saw the video, and if you haven't, you can check out my channel for that. And I promise in that video that I'm going to collaborate with more artists from different countries, and this is happening. So we are bringing in Paul from Ireland, J.K Ottesen from Sweden, Mark from America, and me myself Chris from India. So this collaboration is not the way we planned to do because of reasons. The video got delayed, and due to reason I couldn't go first, so I asked Paul to go first, and you can check out the animated part of this video which he has done for this collaboration. The link is down below. You can subscribe to his channel. He is a really good artist, trust me, amazing work. So he nominated me, and now I'm this matchup, and let's see how I can beat him or not. So let's start it. So this was my part, and I'm really happy with this because this looked great. No reasons. I wish I could do more detailing in this work because I think I could do that. The reason is I'm not well right now, I'm sick, but due to the time delayed I have to complete this work really soon. So this took me 3 hours, and okay, this is satisfaction work. I'm happy with this. And collaboration is not for any other artist, but I'm challenging you, Rich, for this because last time we both collaborated and it turned out to be very balanced work, and I'm just hoping for the best right now. So make sure your work will defeat me right this time. That's it for today, and if you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. If you want to see the complete collaborating work, you can follow the channels down in the description. They might upload the work in a couple of days as we planned. You can also follow us on Instagram for updates, and thank you for the support. That's all we need. So till then, stay creation, do creative. So till then, stay creative, do creation, and this is Artist Chris. Bye.